Yo, what's good, guys? Coach Tech here. So today we're gonna take a look at some benchmarks for the Women's International PC Build giveaway, which finally ended. Now this is the Pink Power build, as you guys see behind me. Now, congrats to Jensen; she won the giveaway. But anyways, in this video, what I want to do is I want to basically benchmark the PC. You know, she's a heavy gamer. Hopefully, she's gonna be streaming as well. So you know, this is gonna be a comparable rig. I'll have everything, all the parts in the rig in the description below, as well as I want to do airflow testing, as well as the DLM22 case, because listen, it's a pretty dope case. It comes in a bunch of colors, and I did review the case, but this is going to be more in-depth review, as well as, you know, going into the airflow of the case. But anyways, let's get to it. All right, you guys, so let's get into airflow pretty quick. Now, quickly, this is the Pink Power, aka International Women's Day PC giveaway. Now, this thing's absolutely beautiful. All right, don't hate. All right, you know it's gorgeous. Check it. It looks absolutely beautiful. Now the airflow, again, we got 5 fans. So we got 2 intakes, and the way I set it up is 3 exhausts. Now, this is a pretty compact case. We don't get enough airflow here, in my opinion, for the GPU. As well, I reviewed the case. I also mentioned that. But regardless, this is a Twin Frozer 1660 Ti MSI card. Now, I've been looping Valley in the background for like around an hour, right? But look at the temps. We still Gucci, man. We got 67. It fluctuates between 67 to 68. Let's even round it up to 70 degrees C, and we still good. I mean, the CPU is at 57 Celsius. It's still, listen, this is still beautiful. You know, if you want to even build something comparable with this case, you know, with pink, with blue, with black, it comes with white, it comes multitude of colors. What I'm trying to say basically here is, listen, the airflow suffice, especially when you be gaming hardcore, is going to be looking absolutely gorgeous. Now, I did manage to overclock the system itself. Now, this has a 2600X, so since this is a giveaway, I went a bit conservative, but regardless of the fact, we got it up to basically 4 gigs. All right, on all cores, we got 3991. It fluctuates a bit. I didn't really go overkill on the GPU. Basically, I just increased the power limit as well as the temp limit. Again, you know, this rig is for someone, so I didn't want, you know, that and, you know, her to have basically problems in the future. Now, the RAM, we did overclock to 3000 megahertz. Now, this is the Vengeance RGB Pro RAM. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. I mean, come on. Come on. Look at the up-here cables. You know we reviewed these cables too, yeah? Let's go. All right, so we got people's favorite game, of course, Fortnite. One of the games that I'm most terrible at. This is on Epic settings. Again, 100 FPS. We got GPU at 66 Celsius. CPU same at 60 Celsius. I'm trying to land. I'm gonna bust them up right now. Let's go. Give me, you trash, bruh. You trash, bruh. You trash, bruh. You trash, bruh. Yeah, how do I get him? You trash, bruh. Let's go. But, man. Woo, my DPI is crazy, man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where you at, homie? Let's go. Oh, my God. My sensitivities. Bruh, chill. My sensitivity is trash. All right, so we're at 68 Celsius on the GPU. CPU at 62. It's running smooth. All right, it's running good. Oh, I got a shoddy. Let's go. Give me some Fortnite points, yo. Yay, I got a kill. Deuces. All right, so we got 77 FPS. Headshot. Let's go. All right, so we got 69. We got 72 FPS. We got 63 on the GPU. Not Battlefield 5 is pretty dope because it utilizes both the CPU and the GPU usage. So on the CPU we got 54% usage, and on the GPU we got 70%. All right, so we got some Call of Duty running. All right, we're running at 106 FPS. Now the temperatures over here, the GPU temperature is at 64 Celsius, and the CPU we're running at 57. So it's doing a pretty. Give me him. Give me that kill, boy. Let's go, Kosher. Let's go, boy. Let's go. That's 2 kills, boys. I mean, look at that. This PC just... Some good FPS. We are getting decent amount of temperature over here. Again, it's 65 Celsius. Come on, bro. You trash, bro. Your boy had to kill me, man. Alright, you guys, let me know what you guys thought of the Pink Power build in the comments below. Jensen, again, congrats on winning the giveaway. I hope you're going to like it. I know I did my best as I possibly can to make it all pink and glittery and beautiful for the International Women's Day giveaway. And I think, and you know, it's a kosher build, so I know you're going to have enough horsepower in the rig, as you saw in the benchmarks. That's going to basically run every and any game. Again, everything is going to be in the description below of the specs and the PC, guys. But as always, guys, I'm Kosher Tech, and I'm going to catch you guys next time. Deuces.